Hello, and welcome back to Simple English Learning. Today, I want to talk to you about a common problem. We all have big goals for our English. We want to be fluent, confident speakers. But sometimes, the goal feels so big that we don't know where to start. We study for a week, get busy, and then stop. Sound familiar? The truth is, fluency isn't a destination you reach in one big leap. It's a journey made up of small, consistent steps. That's why today, I'm giving you a powerful, practical plan. Your first 30 days to unlock your English. This isn't just a list of things to do. It's a complete daily routine designed to build powerful habits, boost your confidence, and make English a natural part of your life. We'll focus on 4 key areas: listening, speaking, reading, and writing. We'll make it fun, simple, and effective. By the end of this month, you'll be amazed at how much progress you've made. The philosophy: consistency over intensity. Before we get to the plan, let's talk about the most important rule. Consistency is more important than intensity. It's much better to spend 15 minutes a day on your English than to spend 3 hours once a week. Small, daily actions build a strong foundation and prevent burnout. Your goal for these 30 days is not perfection. It's about building a habit. So, find 15 to 30 minutes in your day, every day, and commit to this plan. The 30-day plan. A week-by-week breakdown. This plan is broken down into 4 weekly cycles. Each week builds on the last, and will introduce new skills as we go. Week 1. Build your foundation. Days 1 to 7. This week is all about getting back into the rhythm and making English a daily habit. The focus is on passive learning, training your ear and brain without pressure. Days 1 to 7. Listening practice. Your goal: listen to 10 to 15 minutes of English every single day. Oh, how to do it. Find a short podcast, a YouTube channel you like ours, Simple English Learning, or a short news clip. Don't worry about understanding every word. Just listen to the rhythm and the flow of the language. Oh, pro tip. Listen to the same 5-minute clip 2 or 3 times. The second and third time, you'll hear things you missed the first time. End of week 1 check-in. Did you listen for 7 days in a row? Congratulations! That's a huge accomplishment. You've started a powerful new habit. Week 2. Activate your knowledge. Days 8 to 14. Now that you've trained your ear, it's time to activate your knowledge. This week, we introduce speaking and reading. Days 8 to 10. Speaking practice. Narrate your life. Your goal: speak English to yourself for at least 5 minutes. Oh, how to do it. Narrate your daily activities. I am walking to the kitchen. I am making a cup of coffee. I need to get some milk from the fridge. You don't need a partner. The goal is just to get comfortable using your voice. Days 11 to 14. Reading for pleasure. Your goal: read a short article, blog post, or a few pages from a book you enjoy. Oh, how to do it. Find material that is interesting to you. Don't stop to look up every word. Focus on getting the main idea. Your brain will naturally pick up new words from context. End of week to check-in. Are you narrating your life? Have you found a book or blog you like? Great job! You're now a real English user, not just a learner. Week 3. Connect and create. Days 15 to 21. This week, we take things to the next level by connecting and creating in English. We'll add writing to the mix. Days 15 to 17. Writing practice. The daily journal. Goal: write a few sentences about your day in a simple journal. Oh, how to do it. At the end of each day, write about what you did, how you felt, and what you're planning for tomorrow. This helps you use real-life vocabulary and grammar. Don't worry about perfection. Just get your ideas out on paper or a screen. Days 18 to 21. The Simple Conversation Challenge AO Goal. Find a real-life opportunity to use English, even if it's for 30 seconds. Oh, how to do it. This could be asking a question in a cafe, a quick message to a language partner, or leaving a simple comment on a YouTube video. This is about building confidence and showing yourself that you can use English in the real world. End of week 3 check-in. Have you written in English? Have you had a real English conversation? You're making incredible progress. Week 4. The integration phase, days 22 to 30 in this final week. We're going to combine everything you've learned into a powerful daily routine. This is the integration phase, where English becomes a natural part of your life. Days 22 to 30. The daily 4 parts cyclio. 1. Listen 10 minutes. Listen to your favorite English podcast or video. 2. Speak 5 minutes. Narrate a simple task or describe your feelings out loud. 3. Read 5 minutes. Read a short article or a few pages of a book. 4. Write 5 minutes. Write a few sentences in your English journal. About total time, just 25 minutes a day. This simple cycle ensures you're consistently working on all 4 core skills. It prevents you from getting stuck in just one area. The final results. What to expect by the end of these 30 days. You won't be a completely fluent speaker, but that wasn't the goal. The goal was to build a strong, consistent foundation. You will have a solid daily habit of engaging with English, significantly improved listening comprehension, more confidence in your ability to speak, a wider range of vocabulary, and a better understanding of grammar, picked up naturally through exposure. The most important result is this. You will have proven to yourself that you can make progress. You will have unlocked your potential. So, are you ready? Start your timer today. Choose your starting point, whether it's week 1 or week 4, and start your journey to unlocking your English. Thank you so much for joining me today on Simple English Learning. If you're starting this plan, please let me know in the comments below. I'll be there to cheer you on. Until next time, keep learning and start today.